Teacher! Hello! Yes, it's me, Teacher Fatima. Yeah, yes, let's sing the song. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, yes. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Yes, I'm happy. So, today we are going to talk about the animals. Yes? Let's go. Let's talk about the animals. Come on. So, Maternal 2, let's talk about the farm animals. Do you remember the horse, the cow, pig, duck? Yes, let's see them. Let's go. Oh, what animal is this? Let's hear the sound. Let's see, who is he? It's a cow. Let's repeat the sound. The sound. Yes. Moo. How did the cow say? Moo. And this animal here. What animal is this? It's a horse. It's a horse. Let's repeat with teacher. It's a horse. And this? And this animal, this pink, this color is pink. The pig is pink. Yes, so let's hear the sound. Oink, 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 oink. It's a pig. Repeat. Pig. Pig. It's a pig. Oink, 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 oink. And this? This animal here. What color is this? It's yellow. It's yellow. Let's hear the sound. It's a duck. Bang, bang. Repeat, teacher. Bang, 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 bang. Come on. Bang, 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 bang. It's a duck. 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 Okay? Oh, and this. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? What animal is this? Let's hear. Is a sheep. 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 And this? Let's hear. What animal is this? It's a chicken. Ka, 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 ka. It's a chicken. Ka, 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 ka. Chicken. Nice. Now we are going to circle the animals. Circle the animals. Let's make a circle around the animals. Yes. So, what animal is this? This animal here is a cow. It's a cow. So, now it's you. Where is the horse? Can you find the horse? Where is the horse? Where is the horse? The horse. Oh, the horse is here. Horse is here. Here is the horse. Okay? Let's find the pig. Where is the pig? Pig, pig, where is the pig? Let's search for the pig. Pig, where are you? Pig, where are you? Oh, the pig is here. Look, the pig is here. Look at the pig. And what's the pig color? The pig is pink. Okay, the pig is pink. Now, let's find the chicken. Where is the chicken? Chicken, where are you? Chicken. Where is the chicken? Can you find it for me? Where is the chicken? Oh, yes, the chicken is here. Look, the chicken is here. Nice. And let's find now the sheep. Ba, ba, ba. Where is the sheep? The sheep, sheep, where are you? Sheep, where are you? Where is the sheep? Oh, the sheep is here. Look. She's here. Look at her. Yes, the sheep is here. Okay, nice job. So, let's repeat with teacher Fatima the sound. Yes, the animal sound. Look. What animal is this? Oink, 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 oink. It's a pig. Repeat. Pig. He's a pig. And how the pig does? Oink, 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 oink. Yes, come on. Say with the teacher. Oink, oink, oink. It's a pig. Pig. And this. It's a duck. Bang, 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 bang. It's a duck. Duck. Repeat. Duck. Duck. And how the duck say? Bang, 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 bang. Repeat. Bang, 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 bang. Quang, 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 quang. Yeah? And this. What animal is this? It's a chicken. Yes, chicken or hoostler. Chicken is the girl and hoostler is the boy. So, how the chicken say? Cock. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doodle-doo-doodle-doo. Remember, cock-a-cock-a-cock-a-cock-a-cock-a-cock-a-cock. It's the chicken. Chicken. Ta-da! Yes, who is she? Huh? Oh, yes, moo. Moo is the cow. Is a cow. A cow. And the cow says moo. Moo. And the horse. is a horse. Horse. Very good and nice job, boys and girls. So, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.